Did you know that over 50% of millennials have a side hustle? That's right, and today, you could be one of them. Welcome to Digital Hustler. In this video, we will explore the easiest online side hustles you can start today to earn extra cash from home. Don't miss out on these lucrative opportunities. Hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let's explore these exciting opportunities together. Get ready to boost your income. Let's get started. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to make money online by crafting articles, blogs, and content for different websites. If you enjoy writing and have a good grasp of grammar, this could be a lucrative side hustle for you. To start as a freelance writer, you can sign up on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. These websites connect freelance writers with clients who need writing services. Creating a profile that stands out is crucial. Make sure to include samples of your work, highlight your writing skills, and specify the topics you're comfortable writing about. A well-written profile helps attract more clients. When it comes to earnings, beginners usually earn around $15 to $30 per hour, depending on the complexity of the topic and the demand for the subject area. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can start charging more. Improving your writing skills and learning how to write SEO-friendly content can also significantly boost your potential earnings. Consistently delivering high-quality work and getting positive reviews will help you increase your rates and secure long-term clients. This side hustle can start as a part-time job, but has the potential to grow into a full-time career if you're dedicated and skilled. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a fantastic way to earn money from home by sharing your knowledge on subjects you are good at. Whether it's maths, science, language arts, or any other field, there are always students looking for help. This makes online tutoring not just a side hustle, but also a rewarding way to make an impact. To begin your journey as an online tutor, you can join platforms like tutor.com or Chegg Tutors. These websites connect you with students who need help in the subjects you excel in. The first step is to sign up and complete any required tests or background checks. Once approved, you can set up your profile, highlighting your qualifications and the subjects you can teach. A strong profile can help you attract more students quickly. As for how much you can earn, it varies widely. Most new tutors start making around $10 to $20 per hour. However, as you gain experience and prove your ability to help students succeed, your rate can increase significantly. Experienced tutors on these platforms can earn $30 per hour or more. The key to increasing your earnings is to specialize in subjects that are in high demand and to collect positive reviews from your students. Another tip to boost your income is to be available during peak homework hours, like weekday evenings and weekends. This is when most students look for help. By aligning your schedule with these times, you can increase your chances of getting more tutoring sessions. Overall, online tutoring is not just about making extra money, it's also about helping students achieve their academic goals. With dedication and effective teaching, you can build a steady stream of income while making a positive difference in students' lives. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular online business model where you sell products without actually keeping any inventory. This means you don't need to buy large amounts of stock or worry about storage space. Instead, when a customer buys something from your online store, the order is sent directly to the supplier, who then ships the product straight to the customer's doorstep. To start a dropshipping business, you first need to set up an online store. Shopify is one of the easiest platforms to use for creating an online store. It provides all the tools you need to set up and manage your website, accept payments, and handle orders. Once your store is set up, the next step is finding reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo can connect you with suppliers who are experienced with dropshipping. As for earnings, the potential profit margins in dropshipping can vary a lot. Typically, you might expect to make a 15 to 40% profit on each sale, depending on the products you choose to sell and how you price them. To increase your earnings, you need to focus on choosing the right products that are in demand and marketing your store effectively to attract customers. Scaling the business is possible by adding more products to your store, optimizing your ads, and using customer feedback to improve your service. Successful dropshipping requires staying on top of trends and continuously marketing your products to new customers. With the right strategy, dropshipping can grow from a simple side hustle into a significant source of income. 4. Graphic design. Graphic design is a creative side hustle where you can make money by designing logos, flyers, and various digital graphics. It's perfect for those who have a knack for art and design. To get started, you can create accounts on platforms like 99 Designs or Fiverr. These sites allow you to offer your design services to people all over the world. Setting up your profile involves uploading examples of your work, which is crucial as it showcases your style and skills. Your profile acts like a digital portfolio and helps potential clients decide if they want to hire you. In terms of earnings, graphic designers can make a wide range of money depending on their skill level and the complexity of the projects. Typically, you might charge anywhere from $50 for a simple logo to over $300 for more complex designs. As you gain more experience and your portfolio grows, you can start charging higher rates. Building a strong portfolio is key to success in graphic design. Include your best work and update it regularly as you complete new projects. Also, getting positive reviews from clients can significantly boost your profile, helping you attract more work. As you continue to improve your skills and build your reputation, your potential to earn more and secure regular clients increases, turning graphic design from a side hustle into a serious business. 5. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a flexible side hustle where you help businesses with administrative tasks from the comfort of your home. This job can include scheduling appointments, responding to emails, managing social media, and more. It's ideal for those who are organized and good at multitasking. To start as a virtual assistant, you can join websites like Upwork or Freelancer where businesses look for remote help. Setting up a good profile is important. List the services you can provide, any relevant experience, and maybe even some testimonials if you have them. Being clear about what you can do helps attract the right clients. Finding your first clients can take some time, so patience is key. You might start by offering your services at a lower rate to build your reputation. Once you get a few clients and positive feedback, you can begin to charge more. Virtual assistants typically earn between $15 and $30 per hour, depending on their skills and the complexity of the tasks. Over time, as you build relationships with long-term clients, you can negotiate higher rates. Developing a good rapport with clients can lead to steady work and referrals, which can significantly increase your earnings. This role not only allows you to earn from home, but also gives you the experience of working with diverse businesses, making it a rewarding and potentially long-term career option. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us out. And if you're interested in more ways to make money from home, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Sharing this video with friends or family who might also be looking for side hustle ideas can help them too. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below about which side hustle you're thinking of trying, or if you have any questions. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.